Ever wondered how websites save your preferences? Well, that's often done using something called a JSON file. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation, and it's a way to store information in an organized, easy-to-access manner. It is widely used in web applications, enabling the smooth transfer of data between a server and a client. This format is not only human-readable but also machine-readable, making it incredibly versatile for web development. In essence, JSON files are the backbone of data exchange on the internet. Now let's dive into what a JSON file actually looks like. At its core, JSON or JavaScript Object Notation is a text format that is entirely readable by humans. Picture it as a neatly organized desk where everything has a label and a specific place. This format uses a set of rules to represent data as structured text and includes two primary elements, objects and arrays. An object in a JSON file is written inside curly braces. It's essentially a collection of name and value pairs, quite similar to a dictionary. Each pair, often referred to as a property, links a name or key with a value. For example, in the JSON object, name, John, age, 30, city, New York, or name, age, and city are the keys, each associated with their respective values. Arrays, on the other hand, are ordered lists of values, and they are enclosed in square brackets. They're like a list of items, straightforward and ordered. The simplicity of JSON's format, with its human-readable text and universally understood conventions, makes it an exceedingly popular choice in programming. It's easy to create, easy to read, and supported by numerous programming languages. So, a JSON file structures data much like a dictionary, pairing names with values. You interact with JSON files more often than you might realize. Let's delve into some common places where JSON really shines. Imagine every time you tweak settings on your favorite website or customize your user profile, underneath, JSON files are at work, storing these preferences neatly. In the vast world of applications, JSON files are fundamental. They manage configurations, ensuring that your app remembers your last activity, be it your high score in a mobile game or the last page you visited in an ebook reader. This flexibility makes JSON an invaluable tool across various platforms. Moreover, JSON's role becomes even more pivotal when talking about data transfer. Whether updating your social media feed or checking the weather app, JSON files are there, efficiently handling the data exchange between your device and the server. This efficiency not only speeds up the process but also ensures that your apps consume less bandwidth and respond quicker. From saving your game progress to remembering your preferences on a website, JSON files make it all possible. How do we create these JSON files and what tools do we use? Well, the process is surprisingly straightforward. JSON files can be crafted using a variety of programming languages, with JavaScript, Python, and Java being some of the most popular. Each of these languages has built-in libraries or modules that simplify the handling of JSON data, allowing you to effortlessly create, parse, and manipulate JSON structures. When it comes to the actual creation of a JSON file, you don't need any fancy software. Simple text editors like Visual Studio Code or Notepad++ are quite sufficient. These editors provide syntax highlighting and error detection, making it easier to ensure your JSON format is correct. The key to creating a JSON file is to write text that adheres to JSON syntax rules, and then save this text with a JSON extension. This might involve defining various properties and their values within curly brackets, ensuring property names are enclosed in double quotes, and using square brackets for lists. With the right tools and a bit of practice, anyone can start creating and using JSON files effectively.